Hey, how's it going? Hope you guys are doing good. So I'm not exactly a blogger or a vlogger or one that talks to the camera all that much. But I've been thinking recently, and I guess times are changing, and maybe the way in which we use social media is indeed changing. And usually, if I'm talking to a camera, it's about RC helicopter related instructional videos. That's kind of what I've been doing with my buddy Bert for the last 8 years or so. But as I'm growing my company, Watts Innovations, and as I'm helping out a lot of different inventors mainly with different projects, whether it's drone related, radio controlled aircraft related, or mechanics, some sort of a mechanical design related, I've been, kind of answering the same questions a lot, and it's made me question, I guess, the way I think about growing a product or a business or something. And just wanted to throw this out there and get some feedback because I think it's really interesting. I made a video, kind of a rant, I guess 2 or 3 weeks ago, talking about innovating or dying. And I think that's really true. I think that's super, super true. But as important as it is to innovate, I think it's really important to execute on just kind of the basic things that allow a traditional business to grow. So as I'm helping these inventors and these product designers who are coming to me who need some help, I kind of look at products in two different ways, and a way in which to come up with a new product to grow a business or something, or to sell a product or sell a service or something. I think there's really two different types, and I find it fascinating, and I struggle between the two. So the first one is this a brand new innovation that the world has never seen before? So some inventors come and say, I have this really cool gizmo. The world has never seen it before. It's the coolest thing in the world. And I'm like, yes, it absolutely is. And me, as the creative engineering type of person, I tend to innovate. I tend to want to make a lot of cool things that are the first of its kind. And then I want to make a promotional video that's really cool. And then I want to make an awesome website. And then bam, out of nowhere, here's this really cool thing. Here, you can buy it. And we're going to offer support for it and all that good stuff. So on the one hand, you have like innovating a brand new product. So you're creating a new category. On the other hand, you have just creating a really good product that's already out there and just executing with really good business practices, having awesome customer service, awesome advertising, all that kind of stuff. I mean, look at Facebook, right? They weren't the first social media website in the world. I mean, of course, there was Tom with MySpace. We were all Tom's friend from MySpace. And then Facebook, Zuckerberg came in with Facebook and just completely reshaped and remolded the way a social media website could be. And just because he wasn't first doesn't mean that it's not good, or it doesn't mean that it's not, you don't have to be first in order to come up with a really great idea. I mean, look around, look at the jobs that we all have. Most of the jobs that we have, we're not really the first to do anything. We're just executing on solid fundamentals and executing with a solid idea and making a really good product. So I just wanted to throw that out there. What's your thought about innovating versus refining and perfecting? I think that there's like a really good balance that needs to take place, where I think a company needs to continue to innovate, but then you also have to balance with that refining and that perfecting of products that we know will sell, we know will do well in the market. So just wanted to throw that out there. If you like videos like this, hit me up, like, comment, share. Been learning a lot in my business ventures in the last, say, 8 years or so, that I've kind of learned through the School of Hard Knocks. And would love to share some information as I proceed and stumble and have some success here and there. So yeah, just wanted to throw that out to you guys. Let me know what you think. Cool. Take it easy. Have a good one. Bye.